الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. The 15th hadith in the compilation of 40 ahadith by Imam Nawawi is about Islamic manners. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: من كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فليقل خيرا أو ليصمت، ومن كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فليكرم جاره، ومن كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فليكرم ضيفه. رواه البخاري ومسلم. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrates that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, let whoever believes in Allah and the last day either speak good or be silent. And let whoever believes in Allah and the last day honor his neighbor. And let whoever believes in Allah and the last day honor his guest. This hadith appears in both Bukhari and Muslim. So when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam talks about the one who believes in Allah and the last day, we are all believers, but in this hadith, believing in Allah and the last day means that to attain the perfection of Iman, to attain the highest level of Iman, these are some of the actions that we should carry out. In this hadith, we have been commanded with three things. Firstly, to speak good. Second, to honor one's neighbor. And third, to honor one's guest. Now, these are universal principles of good etiquette and good manners. If a person practices upon these, no matter where he may be, in a Muslim country, in a non-Muslim country, amongst Muslims and amongst non-Muslims, practicing upon these three universal principles will result in a person becoming beloved to the people. These are special qualities of the believers, the true believers in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The first talks about guarding one's tongue. The tongue is such that it is a very small organ in size, but its crime is great. The tongue is small in size, but when it is used incorrectly, then the crime is great. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect each and every one of us from the crime of the tongue. There's another saying, a hadith, wherein Rasulullah says that whoever is silent is saved. That means that if one does not need to speak, one should rather not speak, because speaking can result in one getting into trouble. Then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is encouraging us to honor our neighbors. There's a hadith wherein Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentions that Jibril alayhi salam would continuously emphasize to me the right of neighbors. So much so that I began to feel that soon Jibril alayhi salam would instruct me that the neighbor also becomes an inheritor of one's wealth. That is the level at which Jibril alayhi salam, the archangel, would encourage Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the rights of one's neighbors. And finally, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is encouraging us to honor our guests. Nabi alayhi salam mentions that a guest should be fed well for 1 day and 1 night, and hospitality is for 3 days, and anything after that. So the right of the guest is that he should be fed well for 1 day and 1 night, and hospitality should be extended for 3 days at minimum. Anything after that is sadaqah, that is a charity that is bestowed upon him from the side of the host. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the correct understanding. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.